All right, tornado warning update for Delaware County. Let's track this guy. So, of course, you can tell where the notch is. Let's do this. And we are running at 40 miles per hour. And we're going to actually start creeping into McDonald County, guys. All right, so Spavinaw right now, 922. 942 for Jay. I'm still thinking like 936, 938 area. Southwest City, 10 o'clock. So here's an idea of who and what. So this is definitely an intense storm. The new warning is radar indicated. Uh, we've got spotters out, and it's continuing to report funnel clouds and wall clouds. So this guy is not done, not over. All right, that is it. There's a bigger picture, but we're really focused on this tornado warning for now.